So you may have seen Chanel's 2022 Chanel eyewear campaign everywhere, and here I'm talking about it as well and sharing with you how I think these sunglasses are the best Chanel accessory ever. I'm going to start the video with about 7 minutes of ASMR of me showing the contents of the box, and then I'll talk about it some more. So here are the butterfly sunglasses that I bought in Australia for $2,170, and this information is available on their website also. Here's a picture of me from my original unboxing video of these glasses, wearing them old school. The sunglasses that come with chains come in a variety of shapes and frames and colors, and the leather in the chains vary. This is me wearing the chain in the front. Here's a variation of frames and shapes and chains that come attached to the glasses. So I've shown you two ways to wear them, and of course you can wear them just as plain sunglasses. And here is an example of how much typical sunglasses at Chanel cost without the chain already. So what I'm going to do is create an ongoing tally to the end of this video, starting with the base price of $21.70 plus about $800 for the sunglasses only. Going forward, I'm going to show you examples of how you can wear it differently. Right. Clip it. You can even have a little bit of a dangle by clipping it here. So as I'm struggling to put the clasp on this made up bracelet, feel free to check out my original unboxing video later. Or also compare US prices with Australian prices for other accessories. So you can wear the chain as a bracelet and an anklet. So I'm going to add $900 and $800 to the tally. You can wear it as a necklace on its own. And then you can also, so you can clip it in different, slightly different places. I wouldn't clip it where the chain meets the leather, but you can clip it like just above the CC. And then you can wear it like this if you have a V neckline. So from here, I'm adding $1,600 times 2 because there's different various charms and you can wear it different ways, so it looks like you have 2 Chanel necklaces. You can also wear it as a choker. So wrap it around and wear it like this. Just reshape it a bit. And for the choker, I'm adding $1,000 to the tally. And from a necklace, you can wear it as a headband. So I'll probably put bobby pins in to secure it. For the headband, I'm going conservative with only $800 because it's a bit fiddly to actually wear it as a headband. Bonus accessories that you can only wear one at a time, but who cares? So one option is to wear it as a belt. So there's plenty of people more slender than I am. So you can wear it this, wear it like this. You can wear it half. I love how you can wear it as a belt. So I'm adding $1,900 to the tally. With the pouch, so this is the pouch that the chain comes in, and it's not made of leather, so you need to be careful. And you can fit about 5 to 6 credit cards in here, surprisingly. And here are some examples of other card holders that probably fit around about the same amount. So visually, I'm adding $700 for this coin and card holder. So you need to be careful. What you can do, another accessory, is make a little belt bag. So you put it there. For the belt bag, I'm adding a visual value of $2,100 to the tally. So adjust the motifs accordingly, and then you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Hello, hello. Can't wear as a crossbody. Has anyone been recording the tally so far? Hello. You can make it so the Chanel's not upside down. Or you can wear it as a necklace. A necklace pouch? Just carry your phone in your hand. Oh no, my hand's so I wouldn't wear this, but. So for the chain bag idea, you can also add an extra chain, I reckon, to extend it and wear it as a crossbody thing. But to be conservative, but also because Chanel bags are ridiculously priced, I'm gonna say this is about $2,300 of visual value. So just from buying this one item, you can get a total value of $16,000. How crazy cool is that? What do you think of my analysis? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.